So you're thinking of buying a house with a pool, and I'm all for pools. Welcome, my name is Joanne Ackery. I'm a local realtor here in Brantford, and whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, I'm happy to help with your search. So please call, text, or email me. And as well, if you want more useful videos, please like and subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell for more helpful videos. So today on this tour, we're going to check out 3 of the local pool shops: Paradise Pools, Pioneer Pools, and Hooton Pool and Spa. They all offer great features, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to tell you what makes each one unique and why you want to visit all 3. So let's go check out the pool shops. All right, so we're at our first pool stop of the tour. Again, another windy day. This is not typical in Brantford, but here we are at Pioneer Pools. They have the widest variety and selection of multiple items. You can get all different pools, in-ground, on-ground, above-ground, fiberglass pools, hot tubs, the swim spas where you can swim endlessly. They also have a huge selection of patio furniture, parapets, lights, gloves, hot tubs, all your pool toys, pool supplies, equipment, everything is good. So we will go and check it out. Also, while I was in the Pioneer Pools, I picked up my pool opening kit. So here we have it. And I can open my pool and have clean water. Thank you, Pioneer Pools. All right, so we're at our second pool stop of the tour, Hooton Pool and Spa. They have the largest selection for your game room, for your pool table accessory and dartboards. They also offer above ground and on ground pools, all varieties and sizes. And you can get a great variety of hot tubs as well. They will help with all your pool maintenance needs, your equipment, your pool cleaners, your vacuums, and we will go in and check it out. All right, and now I'm getting my pool chlorine added to the jug here by, what's your name, sir?
Braden.
Braden's a great helper at Hooton Pool and Spa.
Thank you.
Star Employee of the Week. Now I can shock my pool and it'll be clean.
Would you want to hand load that?
Sure, thank you. All right, so we're at our last pool shop of the tour. We're at Paradise Pool and Spa. They offer a bunch of hot tubs. They also do customized in-ground pools if you're looking for that. And unique to this one, they have their own landscaping services. So I'm just walking up to their stone yard that they get imported from up north. And then they do an amazing job with all the pool landscape outside of your pool. And they can customize waterfall features. They also do water testing. I'll show you a quick sample when we go inside. And they have all your pool supply needs, so they can order that in for you. They offer great services here. So I don't know if you can see, they've got a great little sign here. And then we walk up to their stone yard. You can see their trucks. So it's nice to have an in-house landscaping company right at your fingertips, and they can do all of your services in one stop. So they don't really have a whole lot here, but there you go. Hello, we're here with Patty from Paradise Pool and Spa, and she is going to do a water sample for us. So what are we looking for testing for today?
We're balancing the water, so we're doing calcium, alkalinity, hardness, stabilizer, and your chlorine.
Okay. What's the most problem people have with their pool? What's the hardest to maintain?
Your alkalinity and pH level, especially if you have a salt system.
Okay. Are we looking for certain colors?
Yeah.
And is it the same test whether you have a salt or a chlorine pool?
Yes, it is.
So it must be getting busy for you now. Everyone's opening their pool. We've had such nice weather. I usually wait until after Mother's Day, so I don't know.
A lot of people do.
Yeah, because it's just abnormally warm right now. Oh, I guess I should have mic'd you up. I have a second mic.
We're done.
Okay, so now what?
So then I will enter our numbers in here, and then we can go there. I'm going to print it like this.
And then did this one pass?
Yeah.
I don't want to put their
Yeah.
contacts. And what are the main things we're looking at? Like, what would you point out to the people?
You're looking at your pH level, your
Okay.
alkalinity, your calcium.
So this one's showing a bit high.
Yep.
So what would you do for that?
It'll tell you. It'll break it
It'll
all
break
down.
it all
Yeah,
down?
it'll go through it.
All right. Thank you, Patty. Thank you, Paradise Pools. I got a new pressure gauge for my pool, so when I open it, I am going to be all ready. I have my chlorine, my opening water kit, and now I have a pressure gauge, so I'll know what the pressure is and I'll know when to backwash my pool. So, thank you. Thank you for joining me on our tour today. We checked out the 3 pool companies in Brantford: Paradise Pools, Hooton Pools, and Pioneer Pools. What I like about each of these companies, Paradise Pools has their own in-house landscape company, and they do great waterfall features. So if you're looking for that, definitely check them out and give them a call. Hooton Pool and Spa, they offer a great variety for your gaming needs. So your billiard, your dartboards, and they have the best on-ground and above-ground pool selection. And then for Pioneer Pools, they have the best patio furniture and those sorts of accessories. So again, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or in 90 days, I'm happy to help with your search. So call, text, or email me. And also drop in the comments below what other topics you would like me to discuss for you. And I hope to see you around. Bye for now.